Hey guys, welcome to Sugar Coated. For this video, I'm going to make a 3-layered cake inspired by Billie Eilish. First, I shape my cakes with a knife and cut the tops flat to layer them. Now I'm using neon green buttercream to fill in the cake layers, along with some sliced kiwi and dark chocolate chips. Here I'm adding a generous amount of buttercream to the top and the sides of my cake and evening it out with an offset spatula. Once I'm done, I put it in the fridge and start rolling out my fondant. Then I add it to the top of my cake and use a small knife to cut out the shape that I want. Now I make a black strip to go around the bottom of the cake and add some chocolate chips to the middle. I also cut out little circles and strips to decorate the top of the cake to create a Billie Eilish inspired pattern, and I make gray fondant studs to make the bottom look like a choker. I then apply them using a little bit of water to make them stick. And finally, I add a stick figure I made with black fondant as a topper to the cake. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.